mountain is totally engulfed in a sheet of water. That's how hard it's raining out here in the desert. So I just want to show you all what kind of storms we have going on here. That is just one huge sheet of water. So it's good because it's going to move all the material around in the washes and let the gold settle to the bottom. But using my dry techniques on gold recovery, it's going to be a little bit troublesome. So I believe I'm going to have to break out the recirculating sluice and see if I can just run some material. Yeah, there's mountains behind that huge storm that's in front of me. That lightning was probably about 8 miles away. Kind of freaked me out a little bit if you can see the camera jump. But I'm going to continue driving to my destination.